Hi, my name is Taylor Durham, and as you get ready to celebrate the holidays with friends and families, we wanted to gather and give you a recipe that may need to move to the top of your holiday dining list. And pleased to be joined this afternoon by the lead baker from Elon Dining in Lakeside, Stacy, and pleased to be joined by somebody that may have an even better title than myself. I'm the voice of the Phoenix, but this is the Phoenix, and so thrilled to be with each of them this afternoon as we work on Phoenix holiday cookies.
We have a list of ingredients, but before we get to those, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees so that the oven reaches the proper temperature so that you can cook your cookie to the best temperature. So our first ingredient is butter, brown sugar, packed, white sugar. We have 2 cups of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, vanilla and water, and 2 eggs. We also have 3 cups of all-purpose flour with baking soda and salt, a teaspoon each. All right, Phoenix, let's get started. So we're gonna take our butter and we're gonna put it in our stand-in mixer. Then we take both of our sugars, which is brown and the white granulated sugar, right into the bowl. So now that you have your sugar and your butter together, you're gonna put your mixer down. Make sure your mixer is off, and then make sure your mixer is on low speed. If you do not do those things, everything is gonna fly out and get all over the kitchen. We don't want that.
So
we want
no
the ingredients
speed.
in the bowl.
No high speed.
No high speed.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it on 2, and we're gonna turn it on and let it do its magic. So that should take about 2 minutes to get it nice and creamed and all the sugar and butter incorporated. And once we add that, we're gonna take our 2 eggs, we're gonna turn off our mixer, and we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. So now, leaving your mixer on 2, we're gonna turn it back on and let it incorporate. Full incorporation is where you don't see it's too wet. So that's probably about 30, 45 seconds mixing. Now I'm gonna turn off my mixer and add the 2nd egg. Now we're going to slowly add the flour mixture, which also has the baking soda and the salt in. Start the mixer on low so that it can mix in as you're pouring. So you're gonna mix this until it starts to become really smooth. And as it's mixing, you can also add your water and your vanilla. All right, that's been mixing for about 3 minutes. So we're gonna see what our batter looks like thus far. Oh man, look at that. You want it to be pliable like this. So you can shape it into a ball or cookie cutters or whatever your heart desires. So when you add your chocolate chips to your batter, you wanna make sure you're just mixing just to fold it in. So we're gonna put our mixer back on for, let's say, 30 to 45 seconds. I think we've got cookie dough.
Perfect.
Look.
There you go.
Make sure you spray your pan or sheet tray very heavily so that your cookies don't stick. And since you have a large vessel like this, you want to make sure you put your dough around. So we're gonna just put this all down in here. So now that you have it most all in the pan, remember that oven we preheated at 350 degrees? Now we get to put this sucker in there.
Well, it appears that our monster cookie is ready.
Yes.
So Stacy, how will you and the Phoenix suggest that we top this cookie off?
I don't know, Phoenix. Phoenix got ice cream, sounds good to me.
Phoenix does have ice cream.
Cookie
Sounds
a la
fantastic.
mode. Right on top there. Look good?
Looks fantastic.
All right.
Okay, there you go. Yes.
Would you like to do the honors, Phoenix? Chocolate? Pour it all over?
Perfect.
As much as you like. Don't be shy. Now we get the... Awesome.
There you go.
All right, that chocolate looks yummy on it.
That does look yummy.
Phoenix? Taylor?
Stacy, thank you very much. Quick reminder to everyone, happy holidays from everybody at Elon University. We hope that you've enjoyed our time together. Enjoy your holiday season with your family and your friends. We look forward to seeing you in 2019. And as always, go Phoenix.